Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to change Gmail name in PC and laptop. So let's begin. Alright, to change the Gmail name, we have the two options. We have the option to change our name of our Gmail account, or if I just wanted to change my Gmail name on the sender when I send the Gmail, I will simply click here onto the settings and you can see the option of see all settings. So I'm going to click on that, and here we have to go into accounts and import, and here you can see the option of send mail is. So here I can also change the name here. So let's click on edit info, and from here I can actually add a new name here, and now I can save changes. And now I have updated my name on the sender side when I send an email from my Gmail account. And second one is that if I wanted to change the name from my Gmail account completely, I would actually click on my profile on Gmail, and here I would click on manage your Google account, and here I have to go inside personal info, and here you can see the name. So I have to click on that. So in name, what I can do, I can simply click on the name, and now I can update my first name and the last name. So I'm going to update my last name here, and similarly I can also update my first name as well, but I just wanted to update the last one. Now I'll just simply click on save here. And now I have changed my Gmail name on my PC and laptop. So this is how we can do this. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.